Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 945, and today's topic is the synthesis of rubber, hydrochloride and cyclorubber. And in previous lecture I have already discussed the synthesis of chlorinated rubber. Rubber was chlorinated, and that was chlorinated rubber, and that rubber is widely used to manufacture the resin. And this rubber, that is rubber hydrogen chloride, is manufactured by passing the hydrochloric acid gas in rubber solution, and the temperature is maintained between -10 to 30 degrees centigrade, and within that range of temperature, once it is sure that it has got up to 33 to 35% rubber, this chlorine content, then we can be sure that it is rubber hydrogen chloride. And the second one is cyclorubber. Actually, cyclorubber is manufactured by cyclization of natural rubber, and this natural rubber is cyclized either in presence of sulfuric acid or in presence of stannous chloride as a cyclizing agent. And this cyclized rubber, which is obtained from natural rubber, is very hard, tough, and it is widely used as a transparent material to manufacture different type of articles. So here I am discussing mainly three rubbers. The one rubber, that is your rubber hydrochloride, oxygenated rubber, and chlorinated rubber and its uses. And this rubber, that is rubber hydrochloride. Rubber hydrochloride is manufactured when hydrochloric acid gas is passed into a solution of rubber in carbon tetrachloride or in benzene at 10 to 30 degrees centigrade temperature until the product contains at least 30% chlorine. And here hydrogen is substituted by chlorine, and now this unit will be in the form of long chain, and that is called rubber hydrochloride. The rubber hydrochloride has been used in making transparent films known as film. The latter, the latter are used for garment, bags, raincoats, food packing and shower curtain. So your rubber hydrochloride is widely used for a lot of domestic purposes, and I have already mentioned you here, that is for garment bags, raincoats, food packing and shower curtain. Number 2, that is oxygenated rubber, and this rubber is produced by the oxidation of rubber in presence of air, and the oxygenated rubber can be manufactured by the oxidation of rubber by air in presence of cobalt linoleate as a catalyst, it is used as a self-sticking adhesive. So it is a very good self-sticking adhesive. That is your oxygenated rubber. On envelopes and tapes. So your lot of tapes and envelopes, what adhesive property it has? It is because of the painting of this oxygenated rubber on it. Number 3, chlorinated rubber. The chlorinated rubber probably involves cyclization, in which the hydrogen atom is responsible for CYCLORUBBER, and that is CYCLORUBBER chlorinated one, in the formation of CYCLORUBBER has been replaced by chlorine atoms. And chlorinated rubber is mainly used in fire and chemical resistant paints. So it is fire resistant, it cannot catch fire. That's why it is widely used, the oxygenated rubber, in fire and in paint, and that paint is fire resistant paints because it is non-combustible. So number 4 is, that is CYCLORUBBER, and CYCLORUBBER is manufactured by cyclization of natural rubber and sometimes even synthetic one in presence of cyclising agent like sulfuric acid or that is stannous, chloride, that is hexachloric acid, and the reaction product is given here. CYCLORUBBER has been manufactured by cyclizing the rubber or synthetic rubber in presence of acid catalysts and such as sulfuric acid or H2SnCl6, that is chlorostannic acid. The CYCLORUBBER is hard as well as tough and devoid of characteristics of elasticity. And CYCLORUBBER is widely used as a resin. That is the main use of CYCLORUBBER, as a resin for paints and for interior concrete floor finishes. So interior, when we are finishing our concrete construction, this CYCLORUBBER is used as one of the material to beautify it, and it is as a resin. So here this is your chain of isoprene unit, which one isoprene unit outside bracket, and we can put N here, means is a polymer, number of millions of N, and that natural rubber is cyclized in the presence of acidic medium, that H positive is shown, and it will give you CYCLORUBBER, and this is the single unit monomer of CYCLORUBBER. So in this way, from natural rubber we can obtain or we can manufacture the CYCLORUBBER, and which is a very nice resin, is used for domestic purpose, for concrete finishing and for beautification. So with this I will stop, and in the next lecture I am going to discuss the properties of latex and coagulation of the rubber. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.